Hi guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the stroke style and some of the extra settings we've not covered yet on the stroke tab. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and also we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Just a reminder, this is a mini series on the fill and stroke editor. We've already covered the full tab, and today we're going to be looking at the rest of the stroke tab. I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how to locate this or open this thing again. It's something that we've already done in the previous video. So, or previous few videos, 2 videos I think. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select the shape and carry on from where we were. So now the top little option here under the stroke tab will be your stroke style. So if you click on the little arrow, or actually just anywhere on it, you will see we've got a few different presets which you can choose. So let's say you want to make a cutout right around, so you want your machine to, so you can tear it out afterwards. You can always use something like that. And then yeah, as you can see, they've got a few different options. Now what you could do, you can always go to edit if you wanted something unique. So let's say you wanted to make those little holes smaller for cut or so forth. Then there's a few options we can do. I'm just going to quickly set this to default, so I'm going to make it 0 and 0 just so you guys can see something. Now if we click update, what it will do is it will update this little sample. It won't actually update what we see here on the back. In order to do that, we'll have to click OK. So if I click update, you can see there we've got the little stipple lines. Now something to keep in mind is that as you can see here, we've only set the first 2, but yet it is keeping it consistent. So if any of these values are 0 after the first one, so it's going to just ignore it and repeat the pattern. So if we wanted to put a unique one in there, we can always go and make the next dash. So also something I should cover, dash, it's the little line. Gap is obviously the gap between them. So at the moment the dash and the gap is got the same size. So now let's add another dash and we make this 1, so twice as big. And we make this gap so 0.5. Click update. Now we can see there we've got a line that's twice as long, half as long, and the gaps all stay consistent. But let's say we do something like 0 this, make this 0.5, and then we'll make the next one 1, and then 0.5. Click update. Now you can see we've got 2 little lines and a long line. So now you can either remove it, or what you can do is you can click add. Now once we've clicked add, like let's say this is a line style you're using a lot in the current design or so forth, you can always say add and you say okay. And now from the actual templates here, as you notice at the bottom there we have it. So that way you can add custom lines. I mean, sure, it's the same as what one that was already there, but you can now make your own unique ones, make the line smaller or so forth, and just add it. So that is how the edit works under the line styles. And then yeah, I'm just going to set this back to line. So once again, you've got template and you've got edit. Then the rest is here, we've got transform and clear. Now something to keep in mind with transform, if it's off, we scale this thing, you'll see the line size stays the same. But then let's say we put this on, then what will happen is it will increase the line size with our design. So you can see that. And the great, reason why you would want to do this is, let's say you've made an entire logo design, and it's got strokes and everything, and you want to scale it up or scale it down, then you want to make sure that is on. Otherwise, your whole entire design is going to get scaled, but your strokes are going to stay the same size, which is going to look weird and or might possibly mess up your final design of the logo. And last of all, we've got clear. So with clear, you can basically just reset the line stroke, or actually rather remove it. So as you can see there, now we have got no more line stroke. So just a quick recap. So we've got the stroke style, width. This one is so you can set the meter size, or meter amount threshold, but I can't get it to work nice, so I didn't cover it. It might be something that comes with the Pro version. And then we've got the style color, we've got the corner type, end stop type, we've got the transform and the clear. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, you can always go your requested training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys, until next video, cheers.